Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a humongous fish head. Yeah, this is a barramundi fish head taken out from a 5.2 kg wild siakap, wild barramundi. So I actually requested the seller to leave quite a bit of meat for me because if not, my family don't really know how to eat the fish head. So at least now they have a lot of meat to eat here. As you can see from here, it is super thick. Yeah, very thick. I'm going to steam this, and then I'm going to make a very simple, sourish and appetizing lime sauce. Right, so after I make a few slits on the fish body, I put in some ginger slices, and then I'm going to marinate it with a little bit of salt. As you can see from here, the plate looks very small. Actually, the plate is very big. Only thing is my fish is too big. So I don't have any bigger plate like this, so I just have to make do. That's the thing about home cooking. Sometimes you really just have to make do with whatever you have. Alright, so first of all, you need to preheat your steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then we can actually slowly put in the fish into the middle. I'm using a combi oven here, which is a steamer oven. I'm going to use high heat to actually steam it for at least 10 to 12 minutes because the fish today is very thick. Yeah. So these are the ingredients I use to make my lime sauce. I have few pieces of this is lime. Yeah. Actually 3 may not be enough, but this is all I left in my fridge, so it's okay. This is actually bigger than calamansi and smaller than a lemon. I actually have a half lemon, so maybe later I'll add in some half lemon inside. And I have some fresh coriander roots. Actually, this is optional if you ask me. Thailand, they were used, but in Malaysia, usually the lime sauce, they don't use this. And then a lot of garlic, and I'll put in a little bit of chili. I don't want it to be spicy. If you want it to be spicy, just put in some chili padi. Because today, my kids have to eat this. Next thing, we are going to chop the garlic, chili, and also fresh coriander. Of course, you can do it by hand as well, no problem. You don't need it to be too fine, seriously. So I won't add water first. I will see how it goes. If I want it to be finer, then I will add in some water, yeah? On the power. Right, less than 10 seconds even. Right, coarsely chop. This is exactly the kind of consistency I wanted. Yeah, no need to be too fine. And I have some color, see? The reddish color, that's why I put in a little bit of chili there. More for the color, not for the spiciness. Right, so we get ready the blended garlic and also squeezed lime juice. So we are going to start by giving it some hot water here. 1 small bowl of hot water. Then we can add in the garlic. Let's give it some seasoning here. A bit of salt. My premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Some sugar. At least 1 tablespoon. And you can adjust it. Just use sugar to adjust the taste. Don't put in the lime juice too early, because if you cook your lime juice, you can also cook away the sourish flavor as well. I just want to make sure the sugar is melted. Wow, it's already very fragrant. Of course, if you give it more spiciness, it will give it more kick, but today my kids need to eat this. Right, now I can actually off the fire. I'm going to put in the lime juice. This is the time you want to use your salt and sugar to adjust to taste. After which, your lime sauce is ready. Alright, when our sauce is ready, actually the fish is also done. Let me open it. Wow, look at this. Let me try to show you from another angle. Alright, so here's the fish. I already removed all the fishy water. Actually, I moved the whole fish into another cleaner plate, yeah? Because I don't want the fishy water. Next thing, we will bungee the sauce all over it. Wow. Do it slowly. Actually, my plate seriously is not big enough for this fish. It's not doing justice. But still going to taste really good. Right, and I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. Right, so here's my steamed fish head with lime sauce. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.